James Stephen Fossett was an American businessman and a record-setting aviator, sailor, and adventurer. He was the first person to fly solo nonstop around the world in a balloon and in a fixed-wing aircraft. He made his fortune in the financial services industry and held world records for 5 nonstop circumnavigations of the Earth as a long-distance solo balloonist, as a sailor, and as a solo-flight fixed-wing aircraft pilot. A Fellow of the Royal Geographical Society and the Explorers Club, Fossett set more than 100 records in 5 different sports, 60 of which still stood at the time of his death. He broke 3 of the 7 absolute world records for fixed-wing aircraft recognized by the Fédération Aéronautique Internationale, all in his Virgin Atlantic Global Flyer. In 2002, he was awarded the Gold Medal of the Royal Aero Club of the UK and was inducted into the National Aviation Hall of Fame in 2007. Fossett disappeared on September 3, 2007, while flying a light aircraft over the Great Basin Desert between Nevada and California. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.